Hey everyone, and welcome to Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you what to do if your USB ports are not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before we dive into any solutions, it's important to power cycle your computer. What you can do is turn off your PC, remove all the power cords, and if you have a laptop, just remove its battery, wait for a few minutes, plug everything back in, then you can try and check if the problem still persists. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, simply copy-paste the following command from the description below. Now press on enter, and you'll see that the hardware and devices troubleshooter will show up. You can click on next, and Windows will try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. You can then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to disable fast startup. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type power and then select choose a power plan from the search results. Now in here, click on choose what the power buttons do on the left pane, and the first thing you have to do in the next window is click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And now the last thing you can do is tick off the box next to turn on fast startup. Click on save changes, and then you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.